than Katsina, that we had a president who is from there. That is the failing of us Northerners. We need to look at ourselves. And now here we are. We have a leadership. We have a vice president number 2 who is from the North. We have a Speaker of the House who is number 4 who is from the North. We have an SGF who is from the North. We have the senior most military officer who is from the North. We have all the ministers of defense from the North. We have the Minister of Police from the North. We have the National Security Advisor from the North. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will look at us and say, you guys have no excuse not to bring peace to your land. So it is up to us to look at ourselves in the mirror, we Northerners, especially those in government, and lock the door and say, people, how do we take care of these problems? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from the Southwest cannot come and bring peace to us. It is us that must bring peace to ourselves. And it is not the military that will bring peace. I've said it again and again, banditry can never be won on the battlefield. We are just putting the military to clean up after this mess. They're everywhere. So Northern leadership, all of us, must come in, lock the door, and sit down and see how we can bring peace to our land. 15 years of Boko Haram, 9 years of banditry. Are we going to continue this forever? It's going to be a forever war. We are all here in Abuja. Our children in the villages have been taken away. Our women in the villages have been raped. Our farmers cannot go into to their farms. Did you guys see the primary school of Koriga? I have friends in the United States calling me and say, did you see the primary school where these kids were taken? Blown roof, nothing there. Well, this is the leadership of the North that fuels all of this. And we're looking elsewhere. We're blaming somebody else. No. Leaders of the North, those in government and out of government, it's time for us to look ourselves in the face and say, we have failed our people, we need to do better. The military cannot bring peace to ourselves. None. We must all get involved and stop this nonsense, this Boko Haram, this banditry that has pauperized our people, that has pillaged our land. Our people cannot go to farm, and we're expecting the military to throw drones and bring peace to us. No. It is us that will bring peace to ourselves. And that is what Sheikh Gumi is saying. We have to all get involved, look at the global peace, and see how we can bring peace to ourselves. Peace will never come from Abuja or the military. It has to come from us, we the people that live there. And those in government, you're in government for a purpose. You're not in government to be going around in Abuja in big black SUVs and overstarched barbarigas.
Thank you.
Bring peace to your land. For goodness sake.
Yes, sir. I would like to...
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.